You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name from Deepwoken. For more names from the game, make sure to stay tuned. Now, if you want to learn his official name, stay tuned because I've got a video for you. That's here we're looking at how to say the title, The Lord. You probably already knew that. Lord in British English, or Lord in American English. Regent is how you say it, not regent. Regent, the Lord Regent. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.